Ever wondered how the Indian stock market, one of the most vibrant in the world, came to be? Well, it all started with the establishment of the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, in the year 1875. The BSE stands as the oldest stock exchange in Asia, a testament to India's long-standing history in the world of finance. Fast forward to the year 1992, the National Stock Exchange, or NSE, was established. Today it leads in trading volume in India, holding a significant position in the financial sector of the country. The BSE and NSE, despite their differences, both play a pivotal role in the Indian economy, providing a platform for companies to raise funds and for investors to participate in the growth story of these companies. But who ensures that everything runs smoothly in these exchanges? The answer lies with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI. Established in 1992, SEBI acts as the regulator of the Indian stock markets, ensuring that the interests of investors are protected and that the market operates in an orderly manner. The Indian stock market isn't just a playground for domestic investors, though. Foreign institutional investors, or FIIs, also play an important role. Operating under the regulations set by SEBI and the Reserve Bank of India, FIIs bring in significant foreign capital, contributing to the liquidity and depth of the Indian markets. However, it's worth noting that the Indian stock market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, both domestic and international. Economic indicators, government policies, corporate earnings, and international situations. All these factors can sway the market in one direction or another. In conclusion, the Indian stock market, from its humble beginnings with the establishment of BSE in 1875, has grown into a vibrant and complex system. It's regulated by SEBI, influenced by a multitude of factors, and made more dynamic by the participation of FIIs. So, the next time you think about the Indian stock market, remember that it's much more than just numbers going up and down. It's a living, breathing entity, shaped by history, regulations, and the actions of countless individuals and institutions.